Good afternoon everyone, it's Rachel here with an Etsy update, and I have some new Easter kits put together by Steffi, and he has done a wonderful job. So we have two journal page kits. One is horizontal, normal sort of ones, and the other one is a document style. So I'll show you the first horizontal kit, 8 pages as usual. So that's the first page. I absolutely love them. I do have some videos coming up already that I've already recorded where I've started using them because Easter is going to be coming up in the last week of March, and I will only just be back from Australia. So I wanted to get these done beforehand. So just really gorgeous kits. And some of the pages can, or bits of the pages can be used not for Easter. So just love them, and they work in well with my other kits because I've been using them together, and I hope you enjoy them. So that's that one. And then we come to the vertical kit. Just check them on screen. Yes, I've got just a piece of linen, or maybe it might be hemp underneath. So I've put together, well, not put together, but I've started to put together a document journal. I haven't videoed that because I didn't know how far I'm going to get with the other ones that I'm working on, but I may get to that later. Like, you may see some videos on that at the end towards the end of March. I don't know, but this is the kit, so I'll just show you what I've put together in a minute when I've showed you the kit, so you can get an idea of what it looks like. So I just love them. I love the technique that he's been using. Don't ask me what it is because I don't know, but he's got a new technique of putting things together, which I absolutely love. So obviously they're all a combination of a lot of the stuff in the background is our stuff, and then public domain stuff on to embellish. So that one, this one here. I have a persistent headache today. It's the afternoon and it still hasn't gone. I went to bed with a headache. Woke up with a headache, and it's still here. That's probably one of my favorite pages. I just love that. And this one too is just really pretty. And then I put together an ephemera kit, and it's all, except for one thing, it's all things that I have in my collection. So this one has a few postcards and just a little bunny there, and then I just thought that was pretty and spring-like. And I put it on a old piece of paper, just so that when you fussy cut around it, you won't have any white there. So that's that one. And again, it's 8 pages. This is an old telegram that I have, and I just want to show you how it folds. I didn't fold this very well, but it's sort of, that's it there. So you fold in the sides like so, and then you fold this up. Maybe I could try and do a better job. Fold this up about there, and then that just folds down, and that's the telegram. So you can print something else on the other side, and it can be a writing spot, or you could even glue it up actually, and it could be a it could be a pocket there, and tuck something in behind there as well. So there's plenty of options with those. So there's 2 of those, and I've used some of Steffi's papers and altered them a little bit. So where's the other one? So that way they coordinate well with the kit. There's the other one there. So I did have some folded ones up, but I couldn't see them all. So because I was just testing them out as I was printing them. I have this one here. Now this one here was the reverse side of an old letter. So this was the address, and then someone wrote down the side there. You can see vaguely the creases. It was folded there. I can see here it was folded down there where the girl is. And then the other fold is there and here. So I've folded one just so you can see. So that can tuck in here if you want to. You can tuck that. Actually, I think it might have gone the other way, like that way, because there's the seal. You can, probably not going to do it now, but you can tuck it in there like they did the old letters. Like so, and that will be just like that, and clip it in, and then you can open it up. It opens up like this, so pretty. So that, like that, and then it can be a lovely journaling spot. So I thought that was a bit of fun. And then the other one that I have is this one, which I have folded here. So this was also one that was sealed there and there, and it was just a tri-fold. So you can see the creases here and here. So I've folded this one. And actually that edge, I didn't trim it. That edge needs to trim off wobbly as well. I made the image go beyond so that you can leave it straight if you want to, but it actually should be like this when you cut it. Just here. And just do a wobbly cut. I can see it goes down there. Like so. And that would be the edge of it on that side. And then probably best to fold it like that. And again, just a great journal spot. But you can even you can fold it smaller if you want to make it smaller to fit in the journal. You could fold it wherever you like, really. So and again, I would print something on the other side, and that would be a great journaling spot. So that's that one. And then here is this is all ephemera that I have. I've left a border around it so you can fussy cut it. And that was, I just created that. That was a little old small handwritten receipt that I have from 1894, it looks like. And then I've just put some things over the top from, I think most of those came from the Graphics Fairy. And then these are all, I have these in a scrapbook, and they are the antique Victorian chrome fussy cuts to use. I thought there's lots of pretty florals, some chicks in an egg. I thought the rooster was a bit of fun, and like a lot of these can be used even not at Easter time. And then this one as well. So the ephemera one is an 8-page. They're all 8-page kits. So I hope you enjoy those and have a wonderful weekend. Thank you. Oh, no, sorry. Excuse me. I told a porcupine. Here we go. This is the document journal. I didn't video this process. I'm going to make a second one if I have time. So that's what I've done. This is a old file folder. I included those in the ephemera packs that you have been going out to you guys. And because that's what I like to use, these faded, nice, older sort of file folders to do the base of these. They're nice and strong. And so I've just put my normal, regular sort of papers inside. As you can see, it's not anywhere near complete. I've just folded the pages. I need to go and get some documents to put in, maybe some straw paper, but I just wanted to show you how they are folded in the journal. My brain's not functioning very well today. So there's that one. So super, I've just been really enjoying using all these kits. You'll see the videos will start up this week coming. So, and if you don't do Easter, just do botanical. If you want to follow along, do something botanical. That's that one, and there we go. So those are my new kits. We've had them ready for a while, except for the ephemera one. I just did that one because we didn't have time. Yeah, really excited to have a play with them with you guys. So have a wonderful day, and I will see you again soon. Thank you so much. Bye.